Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I crochet this 3 spooky cat, and this is from the game Spooky Cat game. I'm using 3.5 millimeter crochet hook and a 100% acrylic yarn, and if you want to have a bigger size you can use a larger size of hook and yarn, but it's all will be the same result. So when you have all these materials, then let's go ahead for the tutorial. Start by doing a magic ring. Chain. And do 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then after this, pull the tail. For the second round, you will do a single crochet in this first chain, and you can mark or you can count the number. So in total you will need to have a 6 stitches or 6 single crochet around. So you will do a increase in this next chain. So you have 3, and then in the next you will do a 1 single crochet, and in the next chain do a increase or 2 single crochet stitch in this chain. So now you will have a 6 stitches or 6 single crochet stitch, and for the next round you will just repeat a single crochet in each chain. Okay, so from this first chain you will do a single crochet here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and then in the fourth round you will do a increase in each. So let's mark this one here. So this is 1 single crochet, put another single crochet in the same stitch, and in the next do another increase. When you complete this round you will have 12 single crochet stitch, and then do another in round 5, a single crochet each. Now for round 6, single crochet in the first chain, then mark it. In the next chain do an increase, then you need to repeat around single crochet and increase in the next for 18 single crochet stitches, and do in round 7 single crochet each. Then do the same thing in round 8. You just need to do a single crochet in the next 2 chain and increase in the next for 24 single crochet stitches. Once done with round 9, leave a long tail and cut. Now let's do the feet. Form a magic ring, chain, and 8 single crochet inside the ring. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then for round 2, pull the tail and do a increase or do a 2 single crochet in each of the chains for 16 stitches. And then round 3 and 4, repeat single crochet each around for 16 stitches. Now let's make the eyes the way magic ring. Chain, and then do 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then pull the tail. And for round 2, do a increase. Mark it. Another single crochet in the same stitch, and then in the next chain increase again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, you have 16 single crochet stitch. Then for round 3, remove the stitch marker. We will do an increase in the first chain. Mark it. Another single crochet, and then in the next chain do an increase. Okay, increase in the next 2. Then 8 single crochet in the following chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then in the next 2 chain we will do again another increase. Okay, increase in the next. Then in the last 4 chains here, do a single crochet each. 2, 3, and 4. Then after that, for round 4, remove the stitch marker, and then do an increase in the next 2 chains. Okay, 1, 2, and the next increase. Then after that, you can cut the yarn. Now we will use the wrong side of the eye. Transfer this tail inside, and we will sew this eye in the wrong side. For making the tail, round 1, magic ring, chain, then 8 single crochet inside the ring, and then pull the tail. Round 2, do a single crochet in the first, and then increase in the next chain. Repeat around for 12 single crochet stitch. Then for round 3 to 9, single crochet each for 12 stitches, and after, cut the yarn. And you will sew right on this side. Now for the body, you can click on this video above on the right side, and once you make the body, come back here and I will show you how to insert or how to sew the ears. Just insert in the middle of the round, going to the top like this. And you just need to sew in each of the stitch under and going to the top, and then pinch the next chain going under to the top like this, and just do that on the front and back of the ears.